On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. God bless you all. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you all had a wonderful weekend. Bitcoin bouncing off the pink box. Where we go, nobody knows. Put a 1 in the chat if the bear market is in. Put a 2 in the chat if you still have hope. Will we survive? Good to see you all. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's jump into the charts, everybody. Good morning. 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh, you bears. You're unbearable. I started off early. What's going on? All right. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Holding the VWAP right now. Trying to hold. We'll see. It looks like it needs to come down a little bit further. Menace, what's going on? Chelsea, good morning. Why crypto? I know, why crypto, right? Why not? Why didn't we just buy AI stocks? You know. Gear, what's going on? Dan Ofertu, what's going on? Michael, Infinite Team TA. What's going on, family? Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Alexandra G, what's going on? Beautiful Monday. Hopefully you're doing well and having a wonderful morning. Albert's Raja Guk, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you in the chat. 666. Good morning, Shep. Good morning, Trace, Isaac, Henrique. Good to see you. Mark Gustafson, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Blue collar trader. Ooh, losing VWAP here. Oof. Slipping through the cracks, guys. Bitcoin. I mean, Pink Box did its thing last night. Oh my God, Pink Box. Maybe that's why I'm in a great mood. Little sweep here. Yeah, lower. It says lower. Lower. This guy here. Right here. Sorry. I suck, right? Oh, man. Well, the short button's been working well for me lately. I don't know about you guys, but You know, elevator down, you just get paid so much faster. When you leave a runner on a short, it's so much better. No? Don't we all agree on that? Can we all agree? You leave a runner on a short, you're just like, my God. Should I take profits? Offshore Miner, good to see you. Adam, Neil, Keen Bean, good morning. Bunker, what's going on, guys? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Frozen in the UK. It's, what temperature is it? 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees? It's -2 here today, so get at me. I mean, we're prepared for it. It snows in the UK and the world stops. It was absolutely friggin' hilarious when I lived there for 2 years. I mean, you get a little drizzle of snow, like not even like the amount of like icing sugar you put on like the top of your cinnamon bun on the road, and they're just panic mode, you know. Sir, 1 BTC buying 104K safe till 85. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Buenos mornings, Atas. What's going on? Vegas Claw, good to see you, bro. How you doing, Milan? How low can we go? We're going to the CME. We've decided that if we hit the CME gap at $9,000, I'll shave my beard. Because that's the gayest CME gap in all of crypto. Hey, level to level. That's how I'm gonna play it. Obviously, there's macro signs of weakness right now. We have a weekly close structure change. We can talk about that. I mean, I don't think we need to get into it too much for the way I trade. We talk about it a lot in the Discord about the macro side and kind of what we're looking at and what relief we want and the behavior of price action. Really, it's ugly. It's ugly. There's no other way. Three big, dirty red candles in a row, right? So, a lot of people think the bear market is in. Have we always been in a bear market? I mean, this year we're down now. We're down for the year. Who would have thought this year we have gotten absolutely nowhere, but everywhere. That's why, as traders, I've had a phenomenal year trading. A phenomenal year. My tax guy's not going to like me, but I like him. FJ Trading, what's going on, bro? Mahaba. Rfig, good to see you. Spicy Sushi. PK, good to see you. Pat, what's going on? Good to see you in here as well. Decent Crypto. Rfig. Sorry if I missed you. Sometimes I miss people. I like skip over you because I'm trying to watch price action at the same time. Paper Planes, how you been, man? Yeah, lower. We're going to come into this liquidity here. This guy right here, 94.7. Initially, this guy here, but we're looking a little bit lower. A losing VWAP here rolling over to start the day. NASDAQ looks like crap. We had that relief rally yesterday. Now, down we go. Looking to come, yeah. Order block here. Looking for this block here. Yeah. SPY, we'll see how we open this morning. I mean, SPY is double bottom, but it's still double top in here, so mixed signals. A little pushback, but ES pushed up. Now it's pushing down. If we look at the ES, front run that, right? So SPY's kind of here, right? SPY's kind of here, sorry. Double top here, right? So you can use the ES to front run your prediction for the SPY. You see how double tops here. Go over to the ES. You can see that there. So right now we're below the double top, so we would expect a gap down, right? You can't do that, right? So you'd expect a gap somewhere down in here, and we'll see how price materializes after that. Yeah, this is ugly. Look at this. NASDAQ dying. Bitcoin dying. Yep. Down we go. Down we go. Sell wall given in advance in the Discord. Beautiful. Beautiful. lower pink box level. We had the higher pink box level, which we initially got a bounce out of. We took the long there. I did not take the long out of here, but I did give this level in advance. In the Discord, I also I also gave the high here. I also gave the long here. So I think I've just been spoon feeding. Can we get some spoons in the chat from Discord members? I mean, I gave you this long. I gave you this sell. I gave you this long. I gave you this long. And I gave you this sell wall. I'm not trying to toot my horn. I'm just trying to say that, the TA is working really well. TA is working really well, and, that's something that anybody should be proud of. Intraday trades, I mean, if you caught the best move on Saturday and 2 good moves on Sunday, and then you're set up for the sell wall on Monday, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I like spoons. Rusty spoons. Golden spoons. Any kind of spoon works for me, guys. As long as I'm getting fed, guys. Today's a short day. I got so many appointments this week. I gotta go. It's funny. I all my appointments, because I'm on mountain time. So I'm up, I'm up at 4:30 in the morning. It's 6 a.m. right now, right? For me, it's 6 a.m. for me. So I'm able to do my live stream, but everything else has to kind of suffer. I got to get my tires put on, my winter tires, and getting those put on. And I got an appointment all the way. It's like an hour and a half away. So tomorrow, I'll still be here live streaming, but I won't be as present on the rest of the day, but I'll try my best. Nice roll over here. What's going on, JD? Good to see you. Steve Hickey, JR, Traveling Studios, Farhad, Infinite Team, good morning. Andrew Ruiz, JR, how you doing, man? Mark Gustafson, of course, man, of course. Bitcoin's dying. You're not being soft. I mean, in the UK, I understand that you're not as prepared. I mean, for a cold day. The one problem with the UK is that because it's so damp, okay, it's a different kind of cold, everybody. So when it's like 4 or 5 degrees in England, it's actually pretty fucking cold, okay? Because it's like it's in your bones. It's in Canada, I mean, it's minus 15, but it's beautiful sunshine, right? Like if you're in the sun, minus 15, happy days, man, happy days. Look at this breakdown. This is good volume this morning. Coming down, grabbing some liquidity right now. Standard deviation 1 tap into our little buy level here, trying to grab some liquidity out of here. No trade just yet, rolling over. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. If it works, you would confuse if... What's going on, Philly Skills, my man? Just chilling, man. Having I took a couple of good trades over the weekend. Up like $7,000? 7? Something like that on the weekend? Crazy, man. Crazy. So, I mean, I've added more size to my trades, which is, it's very puckering at the same time, but it's like I'm just trying to teach my brain that it's the same effing trade that I take normally, right? Instead of putting 200,000, I'm putting 400,000 on the trade, and I'm like, oh my god. Ugh. Which means, you take $2,000 losses sometimes. Oh, but you also make $6,000 wins, right? It's a whole new, I'm trying to expand my trading just as everybody else is trying to expand theirs, right? When your journey is, I remember I was so afraid to lose like $100 per trade. And over time, it's like this is the most scalable business in the entire world. It's so scalable. It's crazy, right? And you guys know me. I just want to make more money than a butt doctor, which means I got to make I think it's $37,000 a month. I think it is $37,000 is the number, and I've done it this month and some, but I mean it's only halfway through the month, so we'll see. What's going on, Stefan, Kareem, Gunleaf, Petco, Fade? Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Jay Violet, how you doing? You know what? I didn't realize this desk mat. So I got the new desk mat. It's massive, and it glows, guys. The perimeter of the desk mat glows, and it has a charging station for your phone. Is that not crazy? The mat. I don't think I can show people here. The mat actually, does it show? I'm gonna rip everything off my desk. Can you see it? You can't see it. No, you can't see it. It glows, man. It's got like a LED around the perimeter of it. It's really cool, man. Good morning, Cal. Good to see you. AlexOCrypto. Edit Polly. Good morning. Good morning from Central Florida. My God. See, if I lived in Florida, I'd just be golfing every day, man. You wouldn't see me, right? I'd just trade and golf. So, shout out to Florida. That's why I don't live in a hot climate, because my wife wouldn't see me. I probably wouldn't have a wife. However, I do have the best wife in the world, so. What is a tax guy? I don't know, man. Spoons in the chat. Yeah, let's go, baby. Smash the likes, bro. You got to see this crazy 180 day. Trading analysis stats. I sold 120 and bought at 11. I sold at 124. I got tickets. I sold 40% up there though. So I mean, I'm still hodling whatever. Good morning from Newfoundland. What's going on, James? Good to see you. Gotta love our Newfies, man. Yes, bye. Spoons in the chat. Dog, what's going on, Menace? Decent. Silver spoons, let's go. I like the spoon life. Andrew Cameron, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Dan Nixon. A little bit of relief here. Nice engulfing candle pushback. NASDAQ trying to push back as well. A little sweep this morning. Solana rotating down. Look at all this liquidity, guys. This is just pure, like, take me home, daddy liquidity in here. This is up only. Very, very clear target. Clear. Okay. Yuck. I hate when price action moves like this, guys. We want balance in the force. There's no balance in here. There's just up, right? As choppy as it is, it's just a target. Bearish divergence, break of structure, SFP, rotation down. Bearish divergence, break of structure, retest, breaking down. Same thing. Okay. So continuation down into what? Liquidity. So if we look at this on the 12-minute here, what we can see. And thank you, everybody, for being in here and smacking the like buttons. I know I got to remind you guys, so if you don't mind smashing up those like buttons, I'd really appreciate it. We're here live every morning. 305 people on here. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. So what do we have here? Well, we have some sort of an accumulation here. Now, what the idea is here is that okay, let's just talk about it, guys. What the idea is here is that we have been trickling down, failing to grab liquidity. Now, what is interesting is how aggressive this has happened, okay? So we can see that we have clearly broken down here. Now, this is in balance, okay? So this is a very key target for us to come into right around $99,000, $100,000. If we cannot flip this, we are looking to go to 85, I believe, 85. Okay, which is actually only 10% down, which is a fart for Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see that when we look at this generally, what we can see is that we do have our next stop. Our next stop is here. Currently trying to hold on for dear life here. Major resistance in here. Okay, so keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. So where are we looking to reclaim? 98,000. We're trying to flip this 98,000 to support, right? So when we understand where we're at, then we can make better decisions on where we're going. We do not, I repeat, we do not want to lose this support here. It's a very quick road down into 88 and then into 85. Okay, you can see we have a couple stops along the way. Okay. What I want to see, though, is because we've ripped down so quickly, I need to see an aggressive liquidity sweep for us to bounce. Okay, we've been looking for this all the way down, and we haven't got it. We haven't gotten sufficient bottoming structure, in my opinion. Therefore, no bueno, right? No bueno, no good. When we're looking at this as well, guys, we can see as well that we're in a golden pocket order block. Okay, so it's a very key area to hold, especially with the volume that is here. Okay, so there's going to be a little battle here at minimum. However, there is a weekly candle close above your 50 moving average, what everyone's talking about. Okay, there's a bearish structure change. We've lost this low now internally. Okay. So that means that we should be assumptive that any sort of relief is a dead cat bounce and should be shorted. Okay? Okay? We understand that? So if this, then that. Mark out your key areas, understand where we're at, what we're looking for. Everybody's bearish. Right? You go on your beautiful sentiment chart of open mouth doom thumbnails. I mean, people love selling you fear. Understand that. It sells, guys. It sells. Bear market. Bears. Open mouth thumbnails. It's done. It's over. Max fear. Bah, 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 bah. Look at this guy. Big girthy dildo through the floor. Panic. Okay? Who cares? We have hodl bags. I haven't sold my alts yet. Whoops. I mean, there was no reason to sell my alts, right? There's no top. So it's like, do we get an extended cycle? I don't know. Do we have the most fundamental stimulus thing coming known to crypto? Probably. Donald Trump ain't going to let this happen forever. However, it's not looking good, guys. So that's why we always say in my community, always 80% Bitcoin. Am I down on alts? Yeah. Yeah. Did I buy Bitcoin here? Yeah. Should I complain? I mean, I'm not really upset. But this market's been upsetting, obviously. So I understand people's point of view. Like this sucks. But we're not there yet. I'm not convinced yet. We'll see. What is interesting, though, if we look at the weekly, 2 candles. 2 weekly candles. Okay. 14, 18%. Is 18% 20% pump? We've seen that in a day in crypto, basically. Right? We get a pump up 10%. Everybody going to be bull posting. I told you so. I told you that the EMA 56.23 crossed with the death cross thingy mabobber. Told you so. Golden pocket order block. Talk it. Tick tock it. Polly pocket. Tamagotchi level indicator flashed. But it's about execution, guys, right? I sold here. Bitcoin, because I thought Bitcoin was coming here. 40% out, right? I didn't sell any altcoins. We all wanted to sell our altcoins in Donald Trump rally. We all agree. Okay, cool. We bought them here and we do something like this. So you guys going to complain about this bottom? Your memory will never be jogged again. You will not give two living shites if this happens. We're in crypto. We should be prepared for this, right? Get your depends on and prepare for it. Right? My wife said buy more. I'm not doing it. I'm waiting for signals to buy more. I want confirmation. I've allocated as much as I want, and I will wait for confirmation to add more if I'm going to. Because that's the technical way to do it. We have skills here. We develop those skills, and we adjust along the way. Coming into our buy level right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll do the short-term analysis as well as we continue here. What's going on? Django, Vinoid, Curtis Hill, Infinite Team, Alexander G, Dog. Got the Chinooks, yeah. Chinooks are interesting because we got like, if you don't know what a Chinook is, it's like hot farts. Okay, you get like cold then hot, Like it's a how do you explain? It's the weather. The weather bounces up and down, right? You get hot air coming in and cold air coming in. Okay, it's hot farts. It's horrible though, because it really throws off your system. We need a bag holder sticker now. Rolling over here. Dry cold is okay. Humid cold is horrible. Yeah, agreed. What volume indicator is that? Which one are you talking about? It's a fixed range volume profile tool. It's a free tool right here. Projection fixed range volume profile tool. You'll pull it. You'll get all your volume. Okay. You can isolate volume with it. Change the row number to 200. Make the colors whatever you want, bro. Rolling over. NW, good morning. Mickey, good morning. Menace TV, thank you guys for smacking up likes, bud. Mega Max, Kareem. Hitting a bounce level here, grabbing some liquidity. Chad P, Mickey, Army Piper, what's going on, family? Good to see you, bro. How you been? How's your weekend? Hugos, good morning. Be rad. What's going on, Gur? Good to see you. Vegas Claus. Anybody get short here? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Make sure you guys say good morning. Don't be weird. We got a bunch of people in here. 390 people in here. 114 likes and not enough good mornings. So make sure you guys are saying good morning. Don't be a weirdo, please. I'd appreciate good mornings. You can like it if you want. That's your choice. But don't just sit there and not say good morning. Bunch of y'all short. Good job, everybody. Right through VWAP. Right through VWAP. That's your short signal. Down you come. Good job. I'm too busy trying to help people lick their own wounds. Big rollover. Why are we looking for longs? Is that Django? Shorts and longs. Absolutely. SFP of the lows in here coming into our area. Big rollover here. NASDAQ holding. Solana dying. Bitcoin dying. Good morning, crypto, baby. Good morning, crypto. Look for an order block retest here. Continuation down. No pushback yet. Still waiting. Bitcoin dying. I would like to be short. The short was up here into the sell wall that we had this morning, but it's a bit early for me to take the trade. Losing VWAP, that was the short too. Too busy saying good morning and good morning, Crypto. Good to see you. Random, Mihai, good morning. Shep, Spicy Sushi, Farmer, Rob, Offshore Miner, my man. He's short. Bah humbug. Crypto Creek, Kai Dragon, good morning. Hector, Jin 4. Ooh wee, this thing dead. Down we go, baby. I prefer Solana. Solana looks better. I'm going to take a stab at Solana. We're going to come into the imbalance here. No follow through? Really? I went half a position size here. It's pretty aggressive. Don't be a dick for a tick. Up $100. Stop loss to entry. Solana just didn't seem as low as Bitcoin. It seemed much better for a continuation trade. Let's start the day with a nice little scalp continuation here. And take a couple hundo out, maybe. GG's in the chat, everybody. Nice continuation here for Solana. We'll see if we do want to come and take this low or don't be a dick for a tick. Take a little bit more out. Really? You going to run away from me? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Happy days. Happy days. Let it run. Go for a run there, Solana. You're free. You're free to do whatever you want. Quick $170 to start the day off. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Just taking that continuation into that liquidity here. Bitcoin continuing to roll over here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I don't see enough GGs in the chat. Let's go, baby. Thank you for being here, Shep. Check truth out. What's truth, man? I'm not sure what truth is. I mean, Solana just looked better, right? You have the clear liquidity in here to come and grab. Bing, bing, bing. 1, 2, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Imbalance. So easily could come down here, but just taking the momentum of Bitcoin. Solana looked better. Look, it had more to drop. It clearly did. Okay, nice bounce back here. Who cares if we get stopped out? Quick 170 to start the day. I like a little 170. Whoa. That was quite the sneeze. Any giveaways planned for this week? Yeah, we're doing one today. We hit 18,000 subscribers, and I'm grateful for it. So I'm going to do a giveaway today for everyone, even though comment picker doesn't work. So we'll do a giveaway today. I don't know whose channel we're going to go and pump. It's funny, like I do giveaways all the time, but we never do our own channel. Maybe I should do some like more evergreen content, but I saved that kind of for the Discord. What's going on, Wick? Good to see you. 589. Jesse, offshore. Vegas call, Chelsea. Trader Joe, what's going on, bro? How you been? Good to see you. Hopefully all is well with you. Bitcoin's dying, baby. Solana, Lana, short. Solana, Lana, short, t-shirt, short. Oh, yeah. I'll take full profits if Solana gets down here. Another $50. Yeah. Just guarantee myself a quick 200 to start the trading week. You guys know me. I hate Mondays. So, I mean, in that respect, I'm going to take my money and run if we get into here. Okay. I like on the exchange too. You can like kind of use this. I never take profits with this thing. This is a market out. It's an ugly market out. This is a limit out. Okay. You want to always limit out. Okay. You want to have a strong market out stop loss, obviously. But you can use this to see, okay, if we come down here, make another 120 here, that's a key target. Liquidity there. So I get 120 here. Yeah, okay. But if I want to guarantee myself, whatever, another $50 here, this will do it. Right? GG's, you just get to enjoy your profits. I mean, who doesn't want $200 a day? $200 a day. Right? Do the math, right? Do the math, everybody. We got $200 a day. And let's say there's 275 to 250 trading days a year. You're making 55 grand. You've replaced your income. You can live off that. Especially if you're in Thailand. Right? So, happy days. Happy days, everybody. $423 people in here. Good to see you guys in here. Harp stated. Harp is in the Discord, man. He said good morning in the Discord. Good to see you, Harp. Bro, my Maple Leafs are so done. They've lost 5 straight, man. Harp, what am I going to do? Mariners got to 20 points. Fastest in Vegas Golden Knight history. Bro, it's all over for Toronto, man. It's all over. King Beaver, what's going on in Pudia? What's going on, man? Good to see you. Give me my money. Stephen Wood, GG. Andrew Cameron, 18K, great job. Yeah, thank you. You got a new office set up. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Can't wait to hit the live today. Make sure you share your live stream in the friends channels in the Discord. We'll come and watch you, Infinite. You just go over to the beautiful Discord. We have friends channels if you do want to share whatever you're doing. You can come over here and we'll come and check you out. Friends channels and videos, man. Look, there's Jesse sharing out Billy Goat Tales, right? You just come over here and share it out. We'll come watch you. Giver's game, baby. Giver's game. All right. Out of that Solana short. $211, guys. Start the day. I'm a happy man. I'm doing the Joker dance. Happy days. $211 to start the day. GG's in the chat. Hopefully you guys all got short. Stevie, good to see you. Steven Woods. What is MexC as fuck? What does AF as fuck? What does AF mean? How do you take profit? What is your plan? Oh. I'm not sure what you mean. I press buy and sell. And I take profits. Infinite with the 5. God bless you, bro. God bless you, man. Kev, Revhead, Power, Lurker, That, Lurker, Rob Dirt. It's like Joe Dirt, but it's Rob Dirt, guys. Lurker, Mr. T. I pity a fool, Lurker. Baba Yaz. I think you said good morning, man. Good to see you. Good morning. I agree, Jimbo. 500K a year to live? Yeah. You earned it, man. You earned it. You buy too many cards. That's why you're buying cards all day. Coming into our buy level here. Liquidity sweep. Big rollover this morning. Quick short. We took AlexOCrypto. You don't short. Yeah, right, bro. AlexOCrypto. You don't short. Okay, show your last 5 trades. I'll show you mine, right? Because this is making crypto honest again. Let's see, is it making crypto honest again? 1, 2, 3, 4 shorts, 1 long. Okay. AlexOCrypto, you don't short. What is this then, bro? This was just last night chilling. Anyways, there's your short. Okay. Happy days. GG's. Let's keep it going, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Making crypto honest again. If you're gonna lurk, at least like. Yeah, that's it, right? Good morning, chicken. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Ofgus Johnson. Gang, gang, gang. Flash close or no? No, limit out. Limit out. Unless it's like going against me, and then I'll flash close it. If I'm not quick enough with my stop loss. Rolling over Bitcoin. Late to the party. I want in on this short. I mean, chicken. We took the short up here, guys. My God, this is ugly. The closer to my average cost of Bitcoin, the happier I get. Yeah. 93,000, guys. Here we go. We're going to 0. We're in a bounce level right now. We'll see how it behaves. I mean, this looks like that Jedi, Obi-Wan Flaccid Obi. Obi-Wan Flassobi. I don't know how to say it. Obi-Wan Flaccid Obi. He ain't got it, man. He ain't got no pills left. He's just going to zero, man. $93,800. Big rollover. Hopium in the morning. Imbalance. Easy short down. VWAP lost. Coming back into bounce levels. I mean, yikes. Welcome to crypto, Grandma. What is our Solana chart? What about that grandma who bought Solana? How's she doing? How you doing, Grandma? Larry, I bought the fucking top again. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Oh, man. Down 32%. Jeez. Larry, this isn't going to work. You told me I could stake my Solana now and get yield. Larry. Oh, man. Oh, man. Too good. Good to see a Zivit. What's the prognosis? Down right now. There's no trade right now, guys. If you got short, made some money, congratulations. GG's to you. I'll even give you a GG's. Good job. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. We're here live trading every single day, up, down, all around that. We can do market analysis, but our job here is to be objective and separate our portfolios from our trading bags, okay? With a dump, we can make money on the way down. If you don't know that, well, I'm proof in the pudding. I mean, I've almost tripled my account in the last 17 days. I've pretty much tripled my account. So, if this, then that. Okay, so I try to show you everything I do. Right, we trade here. We show you everything. We try to make crypto honest again. And we continue. So if this, then that, we're always prepared. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., showing you guys how I trade, what trades I take, how we trade. Sometimes we do an Asia session, Tuesday, Wednesday. Very grateful for all of you guys being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, subscribing if you're new. We just hit 18,000 subscribers. Very grateful. We do have the most amazing Discord in all of crypto with 8 traders helping you guys navigate these charts, kicking ass, taking names, giving you guys signals, setups, trade ideas, strategies, live streams, nonstop value. Best Discord in all of crypto. And it is. I've been in some Discords and my God, I don't know how they're selling you that, man. I don't know how they're selling you that, but whatever. We're traders helping traders, and that's what we're built on here, is people who are actually trading for a living, trying to help you guys navigate that so that you can go from working full-time to clicking buttons like me. That's the goal. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It is Monday. We're getting a little bit of hopefully a false move Monday. Big dump. We'll see what else we get, okay? Happy days. We shorted Solana. We're in profits. To start off on Monday for me. Mondays are typically my worst trading days, so I'm happy so far. Maybe I should have left a runner. Whatever, man. I took my money and ran. That's typically how I roll. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time and get my money and skedaddle. All right? All right, skedaddle. We want to make the proctologist salary. That's the key. Yes. The goal is $37,000 a month. I've crushed that this month, but I'm not over time. I haven't crushed it like that. I've just increased my size, so I haven't increased my size on the live streams yet. Maybe I should do that. Full stop. I took a half a position size trade here this morning. But that's fine. Down we go. What's the green box, guys? Coming down to our beautiful pink box. We need a Donald Trump signal, guys. That's the goal. F work, yeah. I mean, I was a carpenter for 13, 14, 15 years. I don't know. I wouldn't consider the first 3 years, 15 years, but I wouldn't consider the first couple of years carpentry. I would move this pile of wood to that area, and then I'd move this rope and pull it and put that scaffold up. It wasn't really carpentry. It was labor. But back pain is a high motivator, guys, if you know. If you only tried a lifer model. Yeah, I need one of those in my life there, Wick. I need one of those, my friend. Do I hold any long term? Oh, very long term. Yeah, very long term. 80% Bitcoin though, my friend. Bought in the bear market last year, so I'm Gucci. That's so weird saying I'm Gucci. That was gay. I'm sorry, you guys can say that was gay. I don't trust carpentry. A 2x4 is not a 2x4. 1.5 by 3.5. You guys are funny. Okay, what's a 2x12 then? Smart asses. Don't Google it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. See? Yeah, exactly. Gay. Here we go. Here's all the Googlers. It took them a while to respond, eh? Okay, if I'm doing a roof, this is 12. What degree is this angle here? This is the one that gets every apprentice. All right. $45, $90, 12.5. Now, if I told you to go and get my left-handed hammer, would you go? It's right beside the bucket of steam and the elbow grease. Oh, man. Get the board stretcher. That's it. I mean, I guarantee you guys are all coming on site. Like if I asked you guys to come and work, you like Milwaukee gay guys are just coming on like and this is your like second day on the job and you're just like, "Hey guys, I'm ready to work, man. I'm ready to work, bro. I'm ready to work, man. I got my stuff here. Bro. You know, I went and got this thing 'cause my back, bro. Bro, I got the pack out in the truck, man. Got the pack out, man. Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, what's good? What's good, bro? You want me to go coffee today, bro? Loser. Fucking Milwaukee. Bro, I got the new heated jacket, bro. I've never heard of layers. I got the heated jacket, man. It takes my Milwaukee batteries. I got the heated jacket, the Milwaukee batteries, man. It also comes with the maxi pad attachment. Never heard of gloves. Anyways, 500 people in here. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Construction talk, man. What's going on, Sulio? One of my followers watching your stream yesterday. Cool, man. Cool. I'm sure they're into racing as well, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Everything's dying. That's what my phone just said to me. Everything's dying. Yeah, we call them bitch mittens in Canada. Liquidity swept here, guys. Looking for V-shaped recovery. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY bouncing. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 500 people in here. That's awesome, guys. Rolling over here. Bottoming structure. V-shaped recovery. Nice Solana short, everybody. GG's if you did take that short with me. Good job. Yeah, nasty. ETH, nasty. This is good, though. This is good. Shaking at a lot of these longs in here. We'll see what happens here coming into market open. Almost 9 o'clock. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. So what do we have right now? Obviously, Bitcoin's dying, right? So if this, then that. When we look at market cipher and how we try to kind of predict what can come, you got to keep it simple in this case, right? So very, very clearly what has happened is we've lost a critical low, okay? We can all agree that we lost this low. We are breaking down. Everybody's drawing this wedgie now. Oh, wedgie. Oh, we're going to go to the moon. Whatever. If this, then that. We need bottoming structure. We need enough liquidity grabbed so that we can probably bounce. The concern is if we do bounce, we would look for a dead cat bounce, okay? That we're looking to exit possibly if we do this, depending on structure up here and the momentum of the move. Everybody's saying bear market. I mean, we've gone nowhere this year. We've gone, if this is our year, we've gone right back to where we started. It's been a horrible bull market year, 4-year cycle BS, right? Bearish divergence, SFP dropping like it's hot. Okay, if this, then that. So the daily says if we're going to get any relief, we have an anchor wave right now on the daily that's suggesting that we can push back. We're very overextended to the downside. Money is coming out like you're bleeding out with thin blood. Okay, it's nasty. So not looking good. No relief here. 12 trying to push back. No relief here. Okay, very overextended. Continuation down. No even retest yet. So this is where we would hopefully look to short. Okay, however, what we want to see is a violent bottom. Okay, anytime we have bottomed, we want to see pain. Okay, we do not see pain yet. Okay, so maybe one of these, maybe one of these. But we would like to see that. Okay, that would be ideal if we are going to bounce out of here. If we're going to bounce, we would like to see pain like this. We would look for this to roll over, and we would see the pain in here. Everybody capitulating and selling, and then eventually Valhalla. Okay, we need to see pain. Otherwise, we see lower. Okay, I would prefer one like this. This one would be really good if we've seen something like this where we actually rip to the upside. But and I think if we are going to dip or rip, right, it would look something like that. Okay, it would be everybody shaking out, and then, oh my God, we're going to the moon. What breaks it for me? So everybody's like, what makes you bearish or whatever? Okay, first warning sign. This has increased the probability of a bear market probably by 10 to 20%. Okay, so I'm about 40 to 50%. This is a bear market. If we lose this low, bear market. If we bounce up in here and we get structure here that suggests down, bear market. Okay? If this, then that. Okay? If this, then that. We can only do what's technically in front of us. Okay? Obviously, this is shockingly shite. Big dump. But I've seen Bitcoin bounce many a times aggressively when everybody's capitulating and scared shitless. Okay? So we let the chart tell us. We prepare. Anything below 80K, I'm a buyer. I'll start DCAing into Bitcoin again. And prepare. Prepare. That's it. Okay? Without a blow off top, now remember this, guys. Without a blow off top, we don't have a blow off bottom, right? So if we have steady, 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 right? Push, right? Steady push, steady push, steady push, steady push. And not a euphoric blow off top, we don't typically get a blow off bottom, right? We're not necessarily looking at a 70% capitulation all the way down here, because that's what typically happens, guys. If we measure this, we typically get about 77. So I would say diminishing returns on the dump. So I wouldn't say we get the 77 all the way back into here. I would probably look at 50%, probably back into here. Retest to the highs, that would make sense to me. Okay. If you want more macro analysis, go to Piper. Piper does a really good job of that. Shout out to the Piper Academy and my family over there. They're great people. Traders helping traders. That's what it's about. So anchor wave. These are wanker waves right now. They're not pushing back significantly, and we can see that clearly today. 8-hour money flows out the window, looking very weak. We have lower lows, higher lows, bullish divergence on the 4-hour here, looking juicy but weak, right? Failing to push, right? Failing to even sweep the liquidity up here, okay? Now, can we get a recovery today? Absolutely. Can we flip and push? Absolutely. But it should be met with resistance that we would look to short. Okay, we can try to take longs here, but we want to take them with the assumption that it's a retracement. So whenever you're taking longs in a downtrend, we always want to assume that they're retracements, okay? Therefore, we have a much more aggressive take profit structure, okay? Much more aggressive, right? Because if you're trying to take a home run trade, you're typically never going to hit it, and it's typically going to come back and wreck you. So you don't want to round trip retracement trades, right? So we've been longing and shorting, and as a scalper, I really don't give two smacks. I'm not trying to hit home run trades. I'm trying to take my little breadcrumbs out of the market every single day. And as you can see, anytime if you long this thing, you are met with major resistance, okay? Trying for a V-shaped recovery right now. 4-hour bull div. 2-hour trying to push. Anchor trigger wave here on the 2-hour. Anchor trigger trying to push back. Okay, exhaustion to the downside, trying to push back. Coming back for late shorts, okay? Big liquidity event here. This is good if we're going to flip bullish, right? Because we have come back for all these late longs. Sweep, continuation, V-shaped recovery, aggressive move down, makes aggressive move up. So we could bounce quite aggressively here. I'm not taking it yet until I have confirmation. But it is looking strong. Looking at it on my other chart, obviously. Nice pushback. 24 pushing back, anchor wave, low. Big anchor wave on the 12 minutes. This is good looking bottom, but right now no trade. Anybody get long in here? I mean, you got Doji engulfing. Yeah, not bad. 1 minute time frame, bull div, flag out, continuation, up into order block, resistance. Yeah. So we wait, in my opinion, we wait. If this then that, prepared traders have our key levels, key areas, all that good stuff. Prepared along the way. We'll see if we do bounce or if we want to come for these really pathetic lows that we put in over the weekend. What we didn't do, what's important to note, I guess, for everybody, and we were talking about this in the Discord, is that what we wanted to see is either we were going to close back above this low here, which we didn't, okay, but we haven't seen what we've seen in the past weeks, okay? Every Saturday, if you go and mark out every Saturday, we have had a relief rally, okay? A relief rally met by a dump if you mark out all your Saturdays, okay? I ain't your dad, but I'm just saying this has been the pattern as of late. Since the liquidity event, every Saturday we've had relief and dump, relief and dump, relief and dump, relief and dump, relief, dump, relief, dump. Okay? Relief, dump, relief, dump, relief, dump, relief, dump. Okay? This is the first Saturday where we haven't had relief and dump. So this is a little bit of change in behavior in the market. Something I've noticed. Okay? You're late to the party because Discord finds out first. But can this mean that we get something different this week? Possibly. I mean, the last 2 weeks of September or November, are statistically the bullish parts of November. This is definitely doom moon November, okay? It's not a moonvember. So we'll see if we do get a change in behavior in the market. So far, it's just rolling over, guys. So if this, then that. Prepared traders. That's it. We'll see what it gives us. Let's not smoke the hopium pipe, okay? Let's just be prepared. We got levels down below, got levels above, below, around, all around. We're ready. Okay? Thank you for being here, everybody. 550 people in here supporting the channel. We're going to do a giveaway today. I don't know. The comment picker won't do 550 people. I don't know how to do a proper giveaway anymore now because there's too many people in here to give it away to. We hit 18,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty cool, man. I mean, whatever. But I just keep showing up, trading, just showing you what I do every single day. That's it, man. I'm not here to. I mean, if you want to join the Discord, cool, but just don't be a douche canoe. That's kind of the rule. Be kind, don't be a douche canoe. Hopefully everybody did their homework in the Discord today or this weekend, or I'm going to go and whoop your ass. I'm going to give you a lecture today. No, I'm joking. Look at the chart going nuts. Fred Stone, you're not allowed to say CME in my chat, bro. I'm just sorry. Maybe you're new here and you haven't been here before, but yeah, you're going to have to sit on that one for a minute at least, Fred. Sorry, Fred. No CME gaps in my chat. Carhartt and layers. Yeah. First thing I see is CME gap in my chat, man. What the heck's going on here? Did you get your auto pipe cutters there? You got those auto pipe cutters? I showed you those, didn't I? Those are sick, aren't they? Easy peasy. Can you guys hear my son? He's squealing. He's got his new voice. It's called falsetto. He's on one today. Taking volunteers for my exit liquidity. Please raise your hand. Vegas Claude, Jesse, good morning. Trade Intuition. Watch out for that liquidity. Jesse, good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. The only requirement in this chat is to say good morning, okay? Judge is just not listening. You guys are going nuts in here. Boston sucks, I agree. Never sell your Solana. Thanks, Faub. Melissa, good morning. Good to see you. How you been? How's your weekend? Banhammer. Stolian, good morning. CM time me out. Yeah, CM time me out. That's it. You guys can hear Baby Otter, yeah. He's he loves the washing machine, guys, like because it's like spinning and making all these noises and stuff. He goes up to it and he's just like, ah. He gets so excited. Thank you, Random. Hugo's Albert Henshaw. I can see your message, Henderson. Go. Bruh. We in Bear. We're in candles, man. You guys I love my dishwashers too, yeah. The simple things. That's it, man. Okay. Chopping about here. No trade. We shorted Solana. Damn. We should have just left it. Damn, Daniel. He shorted up here. Nice move. Should have hammered it. Trading is easy as long as you don't complicate it, I think. You know, we took the momentum on Bitcoin, shorted Solana for $200 this morning. See what else we can get here. Solana's just chopping at the bit. Yeah, looking to come into $130 for Solana. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. I don't know about that. Look at this Nasdaq, man. Nasdaqian danger. Okay, no trade here. 7-Eleven. So it's 9-11 here. I'm going to get some coffee, everybody. Thank you guys for smacking up the like buttons. We'll do the giveaway at the end of the show, I guess. Or if I get back fast enough, we can do it. Yeah, we'll do it when I get back. We'll do a membership to the Discord. If you're already a member, you can make some money.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
God, offshore miner caught that short too, man. Good job, man.
AlexOCrypto.
Nice.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto.
Thank you everybody for being here and whoever stuck around. We're gonna do the giveaway. Whose channel? I don't know whose channel to pump. I told Wave Cypher I'd help him get to 1,000. So let's see if we can get to Wave Cypher to 1,000. All right, Wave Cypher. I wonder if we can get him to 1,000. That's 790. I think we still probably gotta pump it a couple more times. Go over here and comment Otter Gang, gang, baby. We'll do the giveaway. Go to this video, comment Otter Gang. We'll do a membership. If you're already a member, we'll do some USDT, DDT. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. Subscribe to Wave Cypher. He's a great trader. He's a trader in our Discord. Does analysis in the evening, which is very, very helpful for our community. Kind of sets us up for Asia. Great trader, great person, good human. Okay. Comment Otter Gang here. Otter Gang. I don't see enough subscribers. Let's try and get him to 850. Maybe we can do 850 here, guys. Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Whatever you're into. Good to see you, Piper. God bless you, man. Oh, Wave Cypher's in the chat, man. What are you doing in my chat, bro? Go to work. I'm kidding. I love you, man. How you doing, bro? Utter Gang. Put the Utter Gang in his chat. 811? Come on, those are rookie numbers. Let's get those numbers up, guys. Utter gang. Go and comment utter gang. Utter gang, 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 gang. Utter wang. Utter schlong. Utter dong. Somebody call 811 814. You guys, come on, man. 814. Do 820 for me. 820. Can we get 820? Can we get $5? Nice pushback here for Biddy. Look at Biddy pushing. There's no setup here. Doji engulfing continuation here into VWAP. Possibility. No trade yet. Still waiting. We got 14 minutes till market open. No reason to jump into a trade. Great short this morning, everybody. GG's on that. How are we doing here on the utter gang? Did we get 820? 817. You guys, come on, man. What the hell? I think we do better than that. 470 people in here. 470 you guys don't want to give away and you don't want to subscribe. Can you activate your copy trading account? No. I don't do copy trading, man. I do sloppy trading. Sloppy trading. That's my platform. Nice push here for Bitcoin into the market open. Late shorts getting wrecked. Nice push here. Let's go, Biddy. Solana bouncing too. My son's crying. Beautiful. All right. Comment picker. Picker noser. All right. Let's see if it works. I don't think it's going to work. Otter gang, man. Let's go. 8 and 2 is 10. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Boom 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 boom. Oh, the man, the myth, the legend, Jesse Haluk. Jesse, welcome back. Jesse was in our Discord on a free membership. Now he's back. Let's go, Jesse Haluk. My man, my myth, my legend. GG's, bro. Thank you for always being here, man. God bless you. Jesse has won. GG's for Jesse, everybody. GG's for Jesse. Welcome back into the gang, gang, gang. Let's go, Jesse. I just spilt coffee on my fucking clean sweater. Fuck. Loser. My wife. That's why you always buy black sweaters, guys. Or beige. I look good in beige because it matches my coffee stains. Push back here, continuation, back up, looking to come to this block. Pump and dump, dump and pump. What a way to start the morning, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 11 minutes till market opens. Thanks for pumping the wave cipher bags, supporting our fellow traders in our Discord, and just being here. Good job, everybody. Good times, good times, good times. All right. I know, wasting coffee. What an a-hole I am. Buy a white sweater for construction. I had a white sweater. I had a white sweater for construction. It was for painting, though. I hate painting, though. Don't you guys hate painting? It's got to be the worst. Like I can cut in very well, but like I'd rather tape and spray. It's literally my job. You prefer tape and spray, no, John? Tape and spray? Painting's worse than watching it dry. Yeah. I don't know. Have you ever roofed? Come on, chicken man. I've done 2 bundles on the shoulder up ladders all day long for like I did it for 2 summers, man. I hated it. It's roofing's the only and Dave Digital is a roofer too. Chicken's my friend in real life as well, guys, just in case you're wondering. Roofing is built for retards though. Like you have a a sheet of roof and it gives you where to nail, it gives you the tabs, where to put it in. It's the only building material that tells you exactly how to install it because they're all high on drugs. Okay? It gives you exactly the tabs, it gives you the layout, it gives you the lines. It's the only building material that does that because they know how high the workers are. Tell me I'm wrong, chicken. Okay? Unless you're doing slate or cedar shake, there's no skill in roofing. But I've done some roofs. I've also had I used to have big couch cushions. Okay, couch cushions are the key to roofing. Everybody, if you didn't know, the foam from like a couch cushion, okay, it sticks really well to a roof. I used to put couch cushions on the roof when I worked, because you won't slide off, man. Couch cushions are the OG secret, man. Right, chicken? It's all about the couch cushions. Yeah, we do cedar shake up here. Ice and water shield sucks too in Canada. I mean, it all sucks. Roofing all sucks, man. Anyways, yeah, we do cedar shake, some slate, not much slate. They have that new like plastic stuff too, as well. Those like 100-year roofs. Metal's where it at? No, metal's too loud, man. Metal is too loud. Metal's way too loud. My son is yelling. 5 minutes till market open here. Retest into this area here. Good pushback, but enticing buyers. Really, this is just continuation down. Not coming into really a key area here. We have a little block here. Yeah, this would be our block that we would look to retest right in here. You have this little guy here rolling over here. I gotta put some sort of diffuser on my microphone so that you guys don't hear my little man screaming all day, because he's loud today, man. He's loud. He's on one. Now you're talking out of your butt. I'm a roofer. I ain't talking out of my butt. Not teeth pains anymore offshore. He's actually sick. He's got like the most runniest nose known to man. He's he's quite the namby pamby lately. Let's put it that way. Butt talk is my favorite, Alex. Yeah, I know, Dave. That's why we put you behind Alexander G, but we also put Piper right beside you, if you didn't know. In this group photo, this one right here is Dave Digital, you see? And this one right here is Alexander G. So we had to protect Alexander G. So we put Army Piper right beside Dave to hold him accountable. Stop squeezing and pinching Alexander G's butt in our group photo here. So behave, Dave, in your butt talk. You can barely hear him. Yeah, he is outside my office, so. New here, what's your channel about? We talk shit and we press buy and sell successfully. That's what I tell my accountant. We're here live trading all day, every day. Taking trades, showing you the trades, making crypto honest again. Here 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every morning trading. But I legit told my accountant, I was like, I talk shit and press buttons. And I show everybody the buttons I press. So far, so good. We showed everybody. We told you guys, Solana short. Never financial advice. Do your own research. We shorted Solana for a quick 200 this morning. On to the next one. Waiting for market open here. We got 3 minutes. We'll see how this opens. NASDAQ rolling over, continuing to bleed out. We'll see the SPY gap down. How low will it go? Okay, Solana rolling over. Coming back for liquidity. Clear liquidity in here. So a little bit of patience. But yeah, we're here. Talking shit. Clicking buttons. Showing you the buttons. Planning the trades. Showing you the trades. Helping you guys navigate these charts. That's it, man. Trading is lonely. I'm a trader trying to help traders. You do what you want to do. I found success in my strategies, and hopefully you can find success in yours. Just ask Tony Soprano. I was an absolute degenerate, poor trader, and now look at us, Tony. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought we'd be here? Fucking hell. From stupid inflatable mattresses falling on our head in Australia to streaming to a whole bunch of people from India. That's it, man. We've made it. We've made it. I'm from India. I should put that in my Discord. Like, I have Lord Otter and King Beaver, which are my pronouns, but I should say I am from India. AlexOCrypto from India. And there's nothing wrong with being from India. You just don't have to tell me every time you say good morning or hello. I don't say hi, I'm Alex from Canada. Thanks for all you do for our degens. I was a degen too at one point. I just got tired of losing, man. Hi, Daniel from Colombia. I'm from India. We're all from India. That's it. You indicate many ways that you're from Canada. That my ledger is stuck up my polar bear's ass outside, and if you want to come get it, you're welcome. I was god awful 6 months ago, doubled up my account this month. Albert Stein. God bless you, bro. Congratulations. GG's to Albert Stein, guys. GG's. See some GG's in the chat for Albert. Good job, bro. I love that. I'm Cookie from Philly. I'm Sam from Essex. Hello, Sam. You're right. You're right, mate. You're right. A little bit posh over there in Essex, are you? My wife's from Worcester. My wife is from Worcester. Sam. I bet you're a big Traders Reality fan. Are you a big Traders Reality fan? Are you there, mate? I'm joking. Come on. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. Gap down. All right, gapping down here as expected. Okay, let's see what happens here. Target box for the day, which is good. I like a gap down. Gap downs are good. It gives us a target for the day to come and capture, like Pokemon, okay? We'll see if we do come back into this. Bitcoin not looking so good. NASDAQ, oof. We drew the box this morning, guys. And where are we coming to? Watch out for my pirate ship maps. We're always looking to go to the pirate ship some way or another. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. NASDAQ rolling over, trying to bounce. SPY gapping down, trying to bounce. Solana trying to bounce. Coming back, grabbing liquidity, retesting highs here, looking very weak. Bitcoin failing to push, bear flag, momentum to the upside here. Probably going to lose it right now. We'll see. This would come down for these lows in here. If we lose this, whoop, boop, boo. One trade today. We'll see if this does want to continue to roll over, which it does look like it does. Okay, a little patience in here. 526 people here, 261 likes. Thank you so much for liking the stream and hanging out here, hanging out with me. This is never financial advice. We're just here to trade, man. We're here to trade, talk smack, press buttons, have fun. Trading's not easy. Keep it simple. All right. Solana looks like it wants to push. Bitcoin trying to push up here. Holding the uptrending momentum, trying to push up here, coming into our block here. View up above us. A little bit of patience right now. We can pull our swing high to swing low. For now, this may very much change, so let's be aware of that. Looking for a possible rejection in this area as well. See how it materializes. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Big push on the 3. Trying to get back into continuation here. Nice pushback. NASDAQ, big aggressive pushback. Coming into this block here. Nice move for Bitcoin. So far, so good. SFP of the high. Coming into the block. Continuation up. Strong move for Bitcoin. Nice push for the SPY. Nice push for NASDAQ. Good follow through here. Coming back for late shorts. Bart Simpsoning in the morning, guys. Bart Simpson in the morning. A little patience here. A little Steve Ruggles at the block. Probably halfway down the candle. Continuation trade here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Three-minute standard deviation 1. Possible bounce. Continuation up here. Something like this. Still waiting. Not taking this yet. I just want to see what happens here into market open. No need to rush a trade. It's Monday, guys. Let's try to start this week positively. Not a bad push for Bitcoin here. Still struggling at this block. Probably push right through it. Just a small block. It's not going to be a big major area of resistance. Coming into VWAP here, though. More interesting. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Congratulations on your longs, guys. I love seeing you guys win. Keep it up. VWAP slap here. Bigger block up top here. More resistance up top here. Nice pushback for Biddy. Dump and pump. Nice push for NASDAQ. Nice push for SPY. Coming back, filling up its target. A little bit of a gap left. Nice push here. Nice continuation. GG's on your long, everybody. I'm skiing right now. If you didn't know, skiing is being on your hands. It's not trading. No trades right now for me. Just waiting. Okay, if you don't know, now you know. Okay. You want to go skiing. Sometimes skiing is the best position you can be in crypto. So make sure that you're always being patient, waiting for your setups. Okay? Make sure you're always being patient. Skiing is believing. Coming up for that VWAP slap here. VWAP slap. Down we go. Nice recovery on Solana. No trade. I mean, you had momentum here, but it's not the greatest in my opinion. Not the greatest. Market cipher turning up. Yeah, cool. It's just a retest back into this VWAP here. See how it materializes coming into the rest of the day. Pivot tapped. Rotation to this high here and this high here. Okay. Yeah. Nice push for Bitcoin. Golden pocket. VWAP flip. Strength. Big move for Biddy. Let's go, baby. Oh my God, we're going to $1 billion. Nice push for Bitcoin here, guys. Congratulations on your long. 786 Tapparelli. Can it come back down? Jeez. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. The moon is not far away. I do not know what's going on, but it looks like we're going to the moon. Sweeping the highs here, coming back down. Are we going to the moon, guys? Are we doing a lunar landing or what? I ain't prepared for this. I long Solana. Don't you do that. I was up $1,000. Come on. Really? Got to participate safely, right? We had a nice pullback on that candle. Look for continuation. It's a big liquidity grab here. See if we can follow through. There we go, $350. Easy peasy. Guys, we crushed a Monday today, guys. Monday's our bitch today. Let's go. GG's in the chat. Just taking the momentum. What happens is, it's hard for me to explain what happens here, but okay, so when you're doing a euphoric pump, okay, and this thing's ripping, okay, we understand we're coming for this liquidity here into our sell wall, right? Reckon the longs, reckon the shorts, okay? What happens is this candle, okay, here's your big girthy green candle, okay? What happens here is the candle hits a certain point, okay, and it did that. Now this is from watching volume. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out here. Quick 380, just got stopped out. Okay, another one today, guys. 357, happy days. Okay, up $560 today. Cool, great start to Monday. Okay, what happens is when it pushes, it hits a key area, which it did. Okay, it does this pullback on the candle that if it still has momentum, it will follow through back to that level. Okay, so it does a pullback and it will follow through back to that level and then probably get rejected. Okay, it will pull back and push through, pull back, push through. Now you must be aggressive, very aggressive with your stop loss. As soon as it's in profit, your stop loss is at entry. Okay, this is the only way, in my opinion, you can take this safely. Aggressive move through, pull back, push, continuation, stop loss to entry. Otherwise, you're like knob cheese over there who's lurking, who hasn't said good morning, who got long here and didn't take profit. This is why I don't say I'm getting long on these situations, because it's dangerous for new traders. And my number one job is to protect new traders, okay? Okay, knob cheese over there, who pressed long at the top and you're hoping it goes back now. You're probably not going to come back, just to let you know. Okay, SFP of the high, rotation back down into Chop City. Okay, reckon the bears, reckon the bulls, back into Chop City. Everybody's getting euphoric in here. Okay, if this, then that. Okay. New York Open in Discord exclusive would change everything. Yeah, I'd have to charge like $400 an hour, or $400 a month for that, though, Dusty. My wife told me to do that. I'm like, I can't just show everybody everything. That would be copy trading, and this is not financial advice. I want to show you how to fish, man. That was a gamble trade, not worth the money. Ah. Whatever you believe, Getchy. Continuation trade. Big ass orb. This orb is huge, guys. This is a huge orb. This is a huge orb. It's a hot dog down a hallway orb. And we all did our homework on the orb this weekend, right? Look at that VWAP tap and continuation up. Ooh, wait, come on. What a wild start to the week, everybody. Welcome to crypto. I warned everybody. I was like, guys in the Discord, I'm like, these next couple weeks are going to be absolute. 3 weeks are going to be nuts. Huge. Huge. Chopping the orb, yeah, possibly. Or follow through continuation. Lots of liquidity above us, right? Monday starting with a bang. Yeah, that's the one, man. This is awesome. You forgot to do your homework, French? You silly boy. My God. Must be nice being a Boston fan. Do you do curls in the squat rack? I do, yeah. Good patience, good follow through. VWAP trying to hold here. Solana lana long. Halfway down the candle, hold. Where's VWAP on Sol? Yeah. Welcome to crypto, Grandma. Wow. SPY? Okay. Gap filled on SPY. Now it's anyone's game. Up or down. Double top, retest to previous lows, right? So you double top, retest to previous lows. Typically breaks down. Caution here. Big recovery for Nas. Coming into this high here. Looking to take that. VWAP slap here on Biddy. I don't know if it's worth the squeeze right now. What a Monday, baby. What a Monday. Momentum's on our side here. Both ways. 24, 12, 1 hour. 1 hour is coming down, but it's curving to the upside now. Positive posturing on VWAP. 2 hour trigger wave. 3 hour. 3 hour could take a little bit more time, but what a 3 hour candle, guys. Holy Scheisenhausen. Yeah, looking for follow through here. This looks like it could follow through up. Clear liquidity above us as well, right? Want to come up into this guy here. 97. We'll see if it does it. I like this, like imbalance taken, imbalance left behind. Even if we chop in here and then push, that would be good. Or we flip, right? Or we support and resistance flip. We get going off of the orb, which would be great. No trade here. Still waiting, guys. VWAP slap, continuation trade up to 97. Could be the play for today, guys. Mitigation would be here. That's what the trade would look like. NASDAQ looks relatively strong, guys. This is a nice pushback here. SPY pushing as well. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. This is a balloon giraffe here. We got the balloon giraffe. Balloon giraffe continuation on Solana. After 2 successful trades, shorting this, longing this, I mean, I'm more cautious to not give it back at the end of the day. If there's more opportunity, I'll definitely take it, but this is looking like it wants to push. Doji engulfing after VWAP slap, continuation trade. Still waiting. A winking chariot can be lonely at times. Orbital orb. Felipe Collin, good to see ya. Tony Soprano. Somebody sits next to me and trades for me. Remember that guy? Tony, remember someone seriously thought I wasn't taking the trades, that someone was just like taking the trades for me. Someone thought that was... Andrew Ingram, great job. Great job, bro. GG's, man. Fucking someone. I got a little hobbit beside me. Just a monkey in a cage pressing the buy and sell buttons for me, bro. Right? Tony, I'm sitting here, bro. I'm sitting here and like I just got this little man here. He's just like fucking. Fucking just fucking. Oh fuck. He just. Hey, bye. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Guys, you think a Tesla bot's good? Check out my monkey, guys. Fucking hell. Oh, man. Too good. Too good. Chop at the WAP. Chop at the WAP is fine. Holding as support. Your only issue right now is just, 3 white soldiers, consolidation, continuation, right? Like typically you get this, right? The problem with this is that you're at risk for this thing to slap and then bounce. That's the problem right here. Because of being overextended. Liquidity, right? Right, a lot of people who are long up here, right? You think everybody who long the top like a knob cheese, right? They're like, man, as long as this VWAP holds, right? So there's probably more risk than they're willing to take, but they're willing to try and hold it here. Like you got a bunch of people trapped up here, right? And they're long, and they're like, man, go to break even. Go to break even, bro. Go to break even. Please go to break even, man. Please, I promise I won't do it again. I promise I won't long the top. Please, man. Please, man. Please, just go to break even. Go to break even. And then it gets to break even, and they don't exit the trade, and then it dumps on their ass. Okay? I know you're in this chat. You right there. I know you're in this chat. Go to break even. Please. Go to break even. Then it goes to break even, and you think it's going to go to Valhalla. And then it goes against you, and you lose a lot more money than you're used to. I know you're in here. Sorry I hurt your feelings, but it's true. Take the loss, take another trade. Don't destroy your account, man. My God. And then it goes to break even and you don't exit, man. At least exit. Don't be a namby-pamby. What if the account's already destroyed? Well, you just got to start somewhere, man. You got to start somewhere. The one guy calls me the gamble wasn't worth it. Well, he's the one here hoping it goes to break even. Did my wife send you that video of me? Too good. Too good, man. Got out only 10% loss. Good. I mean, hopefully it's not 10% of your account. Walked in like grandma. Chat's on fire, yeah. You guys are great, man. Thank you guys for being here. Trading's lonely. I mean, it's good to hang out with all you guys. 550 people in here, 277 likes. You guys are all top cheese, man. Top cheese. Thank you guys for being here, subscribing, all that good stuff. We're here live every morning. What did I warn you guys about? I warned you. The warning was you want continuation here. This is liquidity. Hopium. Because at the end of the day, the trend is down. So jumping in on hopium's very risky right now. Good discipline, guys. Wick test in here. Losing VWAP aggressively is bearish. So we wait. Retest a VWAP. Continuation down. Short. Would look like that. Down to liquidity. Liquidity. Every trader has done that, yeah. Is Market Cipher be free in TradingView? There's Vu Manchu. There's a couple of free versions of it. DI. You don't necessarily need the paid one. I am sponsored by Market Cipher, and I highly suggest that. It's the best one. It has the best money flow. It's great. It's what I've used my whole trading career. So I'll never talk bad against Market Cipher. Market Cipher is a great family and a great community. Also a great indicator if you know how to read it properly. Okay. There will be a great sale coming for Black Friday. Anybody take that short? I mean, there's the setup. Is pretty easy. Quick slap. First tap is the best tap. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, guys. Anyways, great trading day. Great trading day so far. Let's see. We're coming back to retest previous highs. Rolling over here. What's the NASDAQ looking like? NASDAQ is, coming for this high here. Overextended to the upside. So we have liquidity sweep here on NASDAQ. Most likely consolidation above this red line at 25,000, which is psychological, right? So happy days in here for NASDAQ, people. Good liquidity grab. Lower low. Possibility. Just ugly right now, guys. Very ugly. Very, very, very ugly. Hopium. Dumpium. Another break of structure. So very indecisive, right? You got break of structure, right? Break of structure. So indecision. Uncertainty. Doesn't know which way to go. Okay? V-shaped recovery typically leads to chop and consolidation in either direction. So I would expect chop today, especially with an orb this big. I would really like to see these lows taken. 93,000. No. Bitcoin rolling over. Trap longs. Everybody's trapped up here. Reckon them and their grandmas. Nice short, everybody, off of VWAP. GG's. Make sure you pay yourselves coming into this high here if you're scalping it. Good work today, everybody. Nice clean day. Nice couple clean trades. Quick, easy, painless. Not much waiting. In the money really quickly, which is what we like. Good interpretation, good patience. Mondays are always a little bit challenging when you come to the charts fresh. Just try to navigate these things, but slow understanding. Good job, everybody. We hit 1 million views, guys. It was pretty crazy. I hit 1 million views. Congratulations. Your videos are getting so much interest in playtime. Yeah, right. Google, you're a liar. Google trying to get you all excited. Whatever, bro. It's like when you got the levels in Halo, you know, and you get the rings, right? And the level 50 rings, right? Remember that? Put a 1 in the chat if you remember Halo levels. Or your COD level, whatever you're into. I remember Halo levels, man. Right? And you get your ring, right? You look for the ring, right? You guys remember the Halo levels, these ones? You guys remember them. Don't tell me you don't remember them. You're like, oh shit, he's a son. Oh, I obviously got to the ring, but oh, snap. He's a son. We're going up against 4 level 42s, man. 4 42s and a ring. I was the ring guy. Oh, man. Good times. You remember? I mean, I had over 500,000 games. Kill death ratio over 3. I'd wreck in that game back in the day. Good times. Good times, man. When AlexOCrypto streaming gaming? Yeah, I don't know, man. People ain't really interested in me gaming, guys. Come on, let's be real. I'm not I used to game a lot, like as a kid. I used to go to internet competitions, internet cafe competitions, conferences, bring your computer, sleep overnight, Counter-Strike tournaments, all that stuff, Bungie tournaments. I was into it. I had the Radeon 9800 DDR RAM back in the day, man. What's going on, Sega from India? Good to see you, man. Thank you for making my day, bro. God bless you. Oh, man. Welcome, Aaron. Thanks for being here, man. The orb is at the gyneco. Yeah, it's a wide berth today, man. You still owe me a Halo game night, Alex. So I'm down, man. I gotta reinstall it again. Ask OC how ask OC how the one-on-one went. Ask OC. He'll tell you. He'll tell you. I beat him 10 to -1 one-on-one. 10 to -1. 10 to -1, guys. He jumped off the map. Oh, it's too funny, man. And I hadn't even played in a while. I mean, by the end of it, I just had sniper rifle and rocket launcher, man. It wasn't very nice. Wasn't very nice for him. Or sword. One-on-one me and CS, I'll use a scout. Yeah, I haven't played CS in a while, man. That'd be fun. Anyways, guys, great trading day. Be patient out there. Discord, we have a live today. Looking forward to the Discord live. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're going to send you over to the Piper Academy, another great channel, guys, for you guys to go and check out, subscribe, and go and hang out with them. They're good peoples, man. Good people. So I'm going to send this stream over there. Go over there. Throw a bunch of otters in their chat, guys. Support their channel. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless you guys. GG's, everybody. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual break.